LNG 140. We see that perhaps the dollar is going to fall a little bit more, they say 1.25. Then also we know that the exports of gas from America to Europe are going to continue. Then is it logical to think that an investment in talent will be here to stay? A stability of chief engineer, cargo engineer, captain, chief officer, pool cadets growing up. These ships will trade from USA to Europe. Then why not think about the Spanish flag? Because some company is really selling its 4 LNGs now, the Spanish flag. Another company changed flag from Spain to France, French flag. So total we're talking 6 LNG full experienced in rank. Let's say captain 10 years experience. Oh no, let's be pessimistic. 5 years. How much would you value these long term for the new LNGs that are being delivered? And then how much are you going to value this retention of these officers for these 6 LNGs, which we could really put them, because there is 300 cadets waiting in Spain. So why not then invest in the long-term safeties first company LNG policy, like having 6 and then 6, that's 12, and then go for 24 Spanish flag, because no other owner has done that for 25 years. What kind of an owner can bet long-term talent retention? Well, the producer. Am I right? Then please, if you are one of those, and if you really have such a policy of the long term, contact Candina, because we are here for these 25 LNGs. Start with 6, easy, because they left these talented officers. And then also think about the Spanish flag competitive advantages. Number 1 is no other flag in this planet has 1 day on board equals 2 days ashore for retirement. So if they are employed 25 years, it counts as 15. Yes, just that competitive advantage. There are many others, tax and so on, social security, but just think about that one. And if you are interested, dear shipowner, in the next 50 years, contact me, because this time I'm interested in having LNG, a Spanish flag with Spanish officers. Why? It's very simple. Ships call Europe. Gas is from Qatar or from USA. Always calling Europe, calling Spain. Why not? Think easy, simplified. Thank you. Bye.